really interesting move. We talk about the App Store and stuff like that. Really interesting move by Anthropic again, where they have they've potentially just had their App Store moment when it comes to Claude Code. Plugin Marketplace is now available for all of your /command, agent, MCP, and hook needs. Now, if none of that makes sense to you, basically it's an encapsulation. Like Claude Code has /commands, which enable you to use reusable, what do you call it? Reusable prompts, reusable system prompts. Like I have one called question, which is similar to what we were talking about when it comes to, it just says, answer the question, don't make any changes. So I have a / prompt that just always does that as an example. But yeah, you can create MCP servers with their new agent SDK as well. This could be ones that you've written or Claude Code specific ones. And then hooks are their actions that respond to certain stages in the agentic workflow. So something I want to look more into. I want to nerd out on that one weekend, but I haven't done so yet. And so this is an encapsulation of all of those things that you can then provide to the community. So I actually thought I could demonstrate, or even just not even demonstrate, sorry, but just look at it practically. So basically inside of Claude Code, so if I type let's clear this. If I type Claude, it's going to load up, do its thing. If you type /plugin, you've got to add, it looks like you've got to add the marketplace. So I would, and this is just GitHub repos. So if my marketplace is like a GitHub repo, you add the marketplace, and then within that marketplace, so it's adding it here. Okay, so it's already installed. Very, very good. You can type plugin and then browse and install plugins. So I can then, I've only got one installed. So I've got the Claude Code plugin thing here. And then I can look. So I'm interested in the feature dev one. So this is the one that they've used internally, that I'm guessing that whenever they add a new feature, they've got a set of MCP servers, set of prompts, set of this and set of that mean that their features always go out with this level of due diligence. I don't know this for 100% certainty, but then, yeah, it makes sense. Also security guidance. So quite nice that you can, this be something that people sell? I don't know. Like, is this something that you could not sell, sorry, but like, you know what I mean? Make some sort of impact, like the Webflow marketplace as an example. Is this someone like, oh, we just build plugins for Claude Code, you know?
Yeah, but it's super niche.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, very, very niche, very niche. I'm quite excited for it. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, but that's my understanding of it all. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.